The golden age of audio just hit a wall, and Apple is the only one with the sledgehammer to break through it. For years, the original AirPods Max have sat on a lonely throne, expensive, heavy, and polarizing. Critics called them a fashion accessory, while audiophiles begged for more. We waited through the minor USB-C refresh of 2024, hoping for a revolution that never came. But now, in early 2026, the silence has been shattered. The AirPods Max 2 are no longer a myth. They are a reality, and they represent the single biggest leap in wearable audio history. We're talking about the world's first lossless wireless architecture, a sensor array that tracks your health through your ears, and a design that finally ditches the weight without losing the luxury. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've been on the fence about dropping $550 on headphones, you need to stop everything. Because the AirPods Max 2 aren't just headphones, they are the final piece of the Apple intelligence puzzle. Let's start with the one thing everyone hates: the weight. The original Macs were beautiful, but at nearly 385 grams, they felt like wearing a lead helmet after 2 hours. For the AirPods Max 2, Apple has pioneered a new material they're calling Aero Mesh Carbon. By integrating carbon fiber strands into the aluminum ear cups, they have managed to shave off 25% of the total weight while actually increasing the durability. You can wear these for an entire 10-hour flight from New York to London and forget they are even on your head. But weight loss isn't the story. The story is what they put inside that extra space. The heart of the AirPods Max 2 is the dual H3 chip system. We've moved past the H1 and H2. The H3 is a dedicated audio silicon beast with 50% more transistors than the chip inside the AirPods Pro. This chip enables something we've been told was impossible for a decade: Apple UltraLink. This is a proprietary 2.4 GHz wireless protocol that bypasses the limitations of Bluetooth. For the first time ever, you are getting true, bit-perfect lossless audio, wireless. No dongles, no cables, no compromises. When you listen to a high-res track on Apple Music, you aren't hearing a compressed version. You are hearing exactly what the artist heard in the studio. This effectively kills the audiophile argument against wireless headphones. The cable is officially dead. But the H3 chip doesn't just handle music. It handles environment reconstruction. The Active Noise Cancellation on the Max 2 is now being called Pro-Level ANC 2.0. Using a 6-microphone array that samples ambient sound 55,000 times per second, the headphones don't just cancel noise, they map the room. If you're in a crowded coffee shop in Manhattan, the Max 2 can specifically target the frequency of a nearby espresso machine or a loud conversation and delete it with surgical precision, while still allowing the important frequencies of your music to breathe. It feels less like quiet and more like you've been transported into a soundproof studio. Now, let's talk about the feature that sounds like science fiction: biometric audio. The AirPods Max 2 are equipped with infrared heart rate sensors and skin temperature monitors built directly into the ear cushions. Why? Because Apple is turning the Max 2 into the ultimate focus tool. Through a new focus state in iOS 20, the headphones can detect when your stress levels are rising or when your concentration is dipping. It can automatically adjust the film simulation of your audio,